हेलो नमस्कार, आप लोग का फानिया में स्वागत है। यहाँ पर देखेंगे यूपी कैडेट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2021 के टेस्ट सीरीज चल रही है सामान्य ज्ञान की। तो प्रैक्टिस सेट थर्ड में यहाँ पर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट के लिए हम देखने वाले हैं, जिसका पीडीएफ आपको मिल जाएगा टेलीग्राम चैनल पर। तो वहाँ पे जरूर जुड़े ताकि आपका इसका आंसर मिल जाए, और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि बैक्स हम लोग के पास पहुँच सके। अगर आप BSc जी, MSc जी, MBA PhD किसी के लिए भी आपका यूपी कैडेट दे रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे जो है आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। जैसे PhD हो गया और MSc हो गया, यहाँ पे 25 क्वेश्चन, बट MBA जो है तो उसमें 70 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, और जो AG होता है यानी UG जो होता है उसमें आपके 20 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। तो सभी के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द चाइल्डहुड नेम ऑफ अकबर। तो अकबर चाइल्डहुड नेम इज द जलाल। जलाल was the childhood name was the Akbar, and Salim is the Jahangir। जहांगीर बचपन नेम यानी चाइल्डहुड नेम। एंड नेक्स्ट वन, फरीद इज द शेरशाह सूरी। शेरशाह सूरी चाइल्डहुड नेम वाज द फरीद। सलीम जहांगीर चाइल्डहुड नेम, एंड जलाल वाज द अकबर चाइल्डहुड नेम। नेक्स्ट वन, इन द फॉलोइंग विच स्टेट डज नॉट शेयर अ बॉर्डर विद पाकिस्तान। राइट आंसर इज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, हिमाचल प्रदेश। If you want to see that some that type structure, here it's the Gujarat, and mid one is the it's Gujarat, and mids one the it's Rajasthan, and next one the Punjab, and there one the Jammu and Kashmir, and last one is the Ladakh. So that now is the how many state? Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. That is the Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat. It's the make a border with Pakistan, but Himachal Pradesh does not share border Pakistan. Next one, world busiest river is. Is the right answer is the Rhine river. Rhine river is the busiest river in the world. If you want to know that Asia busiest river is the Yangtze river. Yangtze river is the busiest river in the Asia. Next one, what is the capital of Cuba? What is the capital of Cuba? Right answer is the Cuba Havana Piso. Cuba Havana Piso is the right answer. राइट, ओटावा की बात करें, ओटावा जो है कनाडा, ओटावा एंड डॉलर इज द करेंसी। क्यूबा हवाना पीसो, पीसो इज द करेंसी, पीसो इज द करेंसी क्यूबा, एंड कनाडा कैपिटल इज द ओटावा एंड करेंसी इज द डॉलर। काहिरा मिस्र, काहिरा, एंड यहाँ पे रूबल। नेक्स्ट वन, पोर्ट लुई स्पेन। यहाँ पे आपका पोर्ट लुई जो है किसका हो जाएगा? जमाइका, याद रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट वन, अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऐप कैन समवन आइडेंटिफाई COVID-19 इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन। राइट आंसर इज द आरोग्य सेतु। आरोग्य सेतु इज द राइट आंसर। आरोग्य सेतु यू डिटेक्ट द एनी पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड बाई COVID-19। कोविड यहाँ पे सी रहेगा, COVID-19। Next one, Librahn Committee is related to. Librahn Committee is related to because it's important because it's relate with the Babri Masjid. Babri Masjid now is the divided in the dispute is end, and now is the our masjid and temple will be clear. Temple is the place of the Babri Masjid, and the masjid is the next place, and another place is the given some land makes for the masjid, and temple is the where is the Babri Masjid it's a built. Next one, under which of the following scheme skill development of the youth of the country is to be done by 2020? What is the right answer? Its right answer is the Skill India mission. Skill India mission is the right answer. Next answer, it started in the 15th July 2015 and it started in the 1st July 2015. Next one, what is the Sri Harikota? Sri Harikota is the satellite launch pad. Sri Harikota is the launching pad. India, ISRO is the launching pad. ISRO's launching pad is the Sri Harikota. Next one, which gas exploded in the Bhopal gas tragedy? Bhopal gas tragedy is the very sadly tragedy. So that is the methyl isocyanate. It's the leakage and the यहाँ पे explosion methyl isocyanate. Bhopal gas tragedy. Next one, world largest dam is. World largest dam is the Three Gorges Dam. Three Gorges Dam is the in the China. Yangtze River. Yangtze River is the Three Gorges Dam. It's the hydraulic power. Hydraulic power. And but see, if you want the water body Kariba Dam is the world largest water body. If you hydraulic power, then Three Gorges Dam. Right answer, Three Gorges Dam. Nurek Dam is the world highest dam. Highest dam. And the biggest dam is the Three Gorges Dam and highest dam is the Nurek Dam. Uzbekistan. Aswan Dam is the situated on the Nile River. It's also important Nile River, so that Aswan Dam is also important. And India's largest and the biggest one is the Hirakund Dam. Hirakund Dam is the largest dam to India and the biggest dam is the Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam is the biggest dam India and the longest dam is Hirakund Dam. Next one, what is the part surrounded by the water and the three sides and the surrounded by land on one side? It's called the peninsula. It's called. Landlocked is called the does not share a border with the water. It's called the landlocked. It's Nepal and Bhutan. It's the landlocked country. Iceland is the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the Iceland, if you called, and Andaman Nicobar Deep, it's also the and our India is the peninsula. Our India is the peninsula because it's the three part. 1, 2, 3. Three part is the surrounded by the water, so it's called the Prayadeep or peninsula. Next one, in the following Viswanathan is related to. Viswanathan is the sport person. Sport in the chess is related with the Viswanathan Anand. So that right answer remember. Next one, which of the following river banks situated the Statue of Unity? Firstly, you know the Statue of Unity where? Statue of Unity in the India. And which state? And the state was the Gujarat. And the river bank of the Narmada River. Narmada Rank and the here the Satluj Dam. Satluj Dam in the situated on the Narmada bank and the Narmada bank situated. It's the Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the Sardar Vallabhbhai statue. Sardar Vallabhbhai statue of the called Statue of Unity. If you confuse Statue of Unity and Statue of Unity, then find out the Unity Day. Unity Day are called the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, birth of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel celebrated as the Unity Day. National Unity Day in the India. So that Statue of Unity also related with the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next one, Midnight Children novel written by. Midnight Children is written by Salman Rushdie. Is the right answer? D is the right answer. Next one, who was the first among Europeans to come to India? Who was the first among Europeans to come to India? And the right answer is the Portuguese. Portuguese is the came in 1949. 1498 is the come Portuguese. First was the Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama first they come to the India, and second one the British. यहाँ पे sorry Dutch one they come in the 62, and the British one come in the 68, and the French one come in the 1664. And next one, when was the non-corporation movement? Non-corporation movement is started on the 1920. 1920 in the non-corporation movement is started and ended it's the 1922. 1922 Chauri Chora Kand. Chauri Chora Kand ends the non-corporation movement. It's is being in the Gorakhpur in the UP. Since the first agriculture university in India. What is the right answer? And the right answer is the G.B. Pant. G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology is the oldest university in the India. It's established in the 1960 by J.L. Nehru. By J.L. Nehru, it's established in the India first in the G.B. Pant. G.B. Pant is the now is the present in the Uttarakhand on the Dehradun. And if you know, Mizoram Agriculture University is the not a university, is the central college. Firstly, it's the established in India, and CSA was the 1975, and 96 is the J.B. Pant and CSA on the 1975. Next was, who is the awarded by the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2020? Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2020 was the given David Attenborough. Attenborough was the awarded by the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2020. Next one, which day is the smallest day in the northern hemisphere? If you cross the equator, and that's the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and it's the Cancer and it's the Capricorn, so that it's the called upper side is the northern hemisphere is the southern hemisphere. So it's asked the which is the day smallest day in the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is the smallest day on the 23rd September. It's the equal day to, and the right answer is the D. 22 December is the smallest day on the northern hemisphere. 22 December, and the biggest is the 21st June. So that 23rd September and 21st March is the equally 21st March and 23rd September is 2 days that in the all earth day and night is the equal. 21st March and 23rd September. Smallest day on the northern hemisphere is the 22 December and biggest one the 21st June. Next one, which country has the largest army in the world? It's the right answer is the China. China is the biggest army have in the world, and the second one is the now India, and third one is the USA. Now second position in India and third one is the USA. Currently data updated, so that now second on the India and first one the China. Okay, now completed our 20 questions, so that is PDF on the Telegram channel Final Exam with Ashish sir. Now join us and the Telegram. Okay, meet next video. Thank you.